To transfer funds to a Morgan Stanley retirement account, start by gathering the necessary information and materials. You will need your Morgan Stanley account number, the type of retirement account you have, such as an IRA or 401k, and the routing and account numbers of the bank account from which you are transferring funds. Next, determine the method of transfer you wish to use, which can be online, by phone, or by mail. If you choose to transfer funds online, log into your Morgan Stanley account and navigate to the Transfer Funds section. Select the account you want to transfer funds to and the account you want to transfer funds from. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. If you prefer to transfer funds by phone, call the Morgan Stanley customer service number and provide the representative with your account information and the amount you wish to transfer. They will guide you through the process and confirm the transaction. To transfer funds by mail, complete a transfer form, which can be downloaded from the Morgan Stanley website or obtained by calling customer service. Fill out the form with the required information, including your account numbers and the amount you wish to transfer. Then mail the form to the address listed on the form. It is essential to note that transfer methods and processing times may vary depending on the type of account and the method of transfer. Generally, online transfers are the fastest, while mail transfers may take several days to process. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees or penalties associated with transferring funds to your Morgan Stanley retirement account. Before initiating a transfer, ensure you understand the rules and regulations surrounding retirement account contributions and transfers. For example, there may be annual contribution limits, income limits, or required minimum distributions to consider. It is also crucial to verify the accuracy of the information you provide to avoid any delays or errors in processing the transfer. In conclusion, transferring funds to a Morgan Stanley retirement account is a straightforward process that can be completed online, by phone, or by mail. By gathering the necessary information, determining the method of transfer, and understanding the rules and regulations, you can successfully transfer funds to your Morgan Stanley retirement account and take a significant step towards securing your financial future.